Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammed Salim. Today I have to share with an English grammar class for the students of class 9 and 10. Before starting the class, take my greetings. Welcome to my class. Let's start today's class. Dear learners, look at the monitor. What can you see? A bag. A tag. A bag with a tag. I think you can guess what our today's topic is. Yes, our today's class is on tag question. Learning outcomes. After studying this, the learners will be able to define tag question, identify tag question, add tag question. Look at the video clip. He likes burger. Doesn't he? What is this? This is tag question. Now let's learn definition of tag question. Tag. Tag means adding something with others. Tag question. A tag question is a question that is used at the end of statement to get support from the listener. How to form a tag question? Rohim is an honest boy. This is a statement. Isn't he? This is tag question. Remember one thing, you have to put a comma after a statement, and for a noun you have to use pronoun, and at the end of tag question you have to put question mark. One more thing, if you find statement positive, form tag question in negative. Let's see the next example. Samira is not a nurse. This is a statement, and here we find the statement in negative. Is she? This is tag question, and here the tag question is in positive. For Samira, pronoun will be she. If you find statement negative, form tag question in positive. Let's see some more example. The baby is laughing. This is a statement, and we find the statement here in positive. Isn't it? This is tag question. It is in negative. Remember one thing, for the baby you have to use pronoun it. Let's see next example. They are going to school. Here we can see the statement in positive, aren't they? This is tag question, and it is in negative. Here list of verb, modal auxiliary, and their basic and contraction form. Let's practice together. First one.
Rahim was a bright student.
Wasn't he? You are not a singer. Were you? We should obey our parents, shouldn't we? Sufyan could do it easily. Couldn't he? Rian must not eat junk food. Must he? How will you add tag if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence? Let's learn. Here's some tips. If verb is in S form, add tag with doesn't. If verb is in base form, add tag with don't. If verb is in past form, add tag with didn't. For example, the monkey eats banana. Doesn't it? Here we find verb in S form for we have used doesn't it. Let's see next example. We love river. Don't we? You can see here verb love is in base form, so tag will be don't we. Next example, they went to Cox's Bazar. Didn't they? Here we find the verb in past form, so use didn't for went as it is in past form. This is an exceptional one. Here we can see the verb in as form, but I have used here don't they because we have is pronoun they. One more example, nobody believes a liar. Do they? Here nobody is the negative word. For this I have used do they. List of negative words: never, neither, none, seldom, few, little, hardly, etc. Karim seldom comes here. Does he? Nobody respect a psychopath. Do they? Neither of them went there. Did they? There is little water in the pond. Is there? Here's some more. The baby is innocent. Isn't it? Nothing comes of nothing. Does it? The glass contains little water. Does it? Everybody knows everybody. Don't they? The mother rose on her. Didn't it? Here the mother refers affection of mother. For its pronoun I have used it for the mother. None can do this. Can they? I'm happy, aren't I? Snigdha told me the matter, didn't she? Dear learners, here's some homework for you. I hope you yourself practice this homework. With this, I have come to the end of today's class. Before ending the class, I wish you a safe and smooth life. Goodbye.